Hi, I'm Peter Joseph. I've been running a Michelin star restaurant for past 6 years. Now I'm from Kahani restaurant, which is in Sloane Square. Today we are going to do Zarda pulao, which is sweet rice, very famous in India. Let's get started. We're going to start by heating up clarified butter. The pan need to be medium heat, not too hot. I'm going to add 6 cardamom and like around 10 pieces of clove. You can see the spices started crackles. Now we can add cashew nuts, thinly cut almonds, golden raisins, pistachios, and cook them nicely. Leave them for 2 to 3 minutes. Nicely braise them, nice and golden brown color. Then remove some of them from the pan and keep it in a bowl for garnish. Now we are going to add basmati rice into the pan. Most people, despite knowing how to cook the rice, but end up with bad results because of mixed variety of rice. Today we are using tilde basmati rice, which is 100% basmati. That is very important when you cook the rice. You'll get the very good quality at the end. Mix them well for a couple of minutes. Now we are going to add the water. For 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Once you add the water, stir it gently so that the rice won't break. Add the saffron now while the water is nice and boiling. Then stir it gently so that saffron mixes well, as well as it releases color to the dish. The aroma is really nice from the basmati. As you see while cooking, the rice is separates and there is no sticky, starchy or broken rice anywhere. I'm going to cover the rice for 3 to 4 minutes in the medium heat. Now we are in the last stage of making Zarda pulao. Now I'm going to add the sugar. Stir it gently. To finish with, just add condensed milk so that the rice is nice and shiny. Now I'm going to cover the rice for a minute to settle down, then we can plate it. Here it is, Zarda pulao. Thank you so very much for watching. Enjoy cooking yourself.